Since the president's martial law declaration almost 2 months ago, tensions and feud have only grown within the political circles. To delve deeper into the standoff, let's turn to our political correspondent, Shin Ha-young. Ha-young, the first hearing of the National Assembly's Special Committee to investigate the Yoon administration's alleged insurrection plan took place today. What were the takeaways?
Well, the first thing that we need to take a look at is the issuance of orders to bring key officials, including President Yoon Suk-yeol, to the hearings as witnesses. And President Yoon and former Defense Minister Kim Yong-hyun, who were requested to appear at the National Assembly to answer lawmakers' questions, did not show up to the hearing today. And in response, the opposition-led committee issued orders to bring Yoon and 6 other military officials to the Assembly as witnesses.
We are issuing an order for 7 witnesses, including Yoon Suk-yeol. Please carry them out.
The ruling People Power Party criticized the opposition for trying to embarrass the president. Prime Minister Han Duck-soo and former Interior Minister Lee Sang-min attended the hearing, but Lee continued to refuse to answer questions. And at the hearing, the opposition focused on verifying allegations that President Yoon denied during yesterday's impeachment trial, while the ruling party argued that the CIO's insurrection investigation and Yoon's detention were unlawful. Take a listen.
Without legal grounds, how can the CIO conduct illegal investigations and claim the Presidential Security Service acted unlawfully? Deputy Chief, you should respond firmly.
And as we just saw, President Yoon refuses investigations, but he did attend his impeachment trial yesterday at the Constitutional Court. What could have been the reasons behind this?
Well, first of all, it was an unprecedented moment as Yoon became the first president to attend his own impeachment trial. And previously, Yoon had said he would attend the trial but skip the first 2 hearings, citing security and protocol reasons. And experts say that there were concerns he could be arrested upon arrival, as an outstanding warrant hadn't been executed at that time. However, the situation changed after another arrest warrant seeking a longer period of detention was issued. And unlike other investigations, impeachment hearings are public, and by attending, Yoon seems to want to show his supporters he's strong, while also emphasizing the unfairness of the impeachment. And some even interpret this as an attempt to sway public opinion. And as Yoon's legal team stated, the president will attend the hearing at the Constitutional Court again tomorrow. So this is another point to watch for on Thursday.
And lawmakers are clashing over a bill for a special investigation into the president's brief imposition of martial law. How has the situation been unfolding?
Well, all eyes were on whether there would be room for negotiations over the bill, but the political strife only intensified. An opposition-led revised bill to launch a special counsel investigation into President Yoon's short-lived imposition of martial law was passed by a National Assembly plenary session on Friday. And this came after rival party floor leaders failed to reach an agreement on the bill during negotiations. And instead, the DP revised its own version of the bill and brought it to a vote. The bill that passed excludes allegations of inducement of foreign aggression and focuses on 6 specific allegations compared to the 11 outlined in the original version. And instead, the DP added a provision allowing the special counsel to investigate so-called related cases, not just Yoon's declaration of martial law. And regarding this, the ruling party opposed the revised bill, arguing that its vague provisions could allow investigations into accusations not originally listed, including those previously removed. And one factor we also need to take a close look at is that the investigation appears to be losing momentum after Yoon transitioned from a temporary detainee to a criminal suspect on insurrection charges. So since overlapping investigations are not allowed, the special prosecutor would be unable to charge Yoon with insurrection. And the PPP argues that the bill is unnecessary because most key figures, including President Yoon, have already been arrested or indicted. The DP, on the other hand, claimed that it had incorporated the PPP's demands and argued and urged the acting president to approve the bill immediately, warning that any delay would prolong the insurrection. And acting President Choi Sang-mok has until February 2nd to either approve or reject a bill, and if rejected, it will be returned to the Assembly for a revote. And he is expected to decide after the Lunar New Year holiday or Seollal.
Right, it's a complicated issue and we'll have to keep a close eye on that. Thank you for the report.
My pleasure.